In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion database and connect it to Make, a powerful automation tool. To start, log into your Notion account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see a section labeled Settings and Members. Click on that. This area is crucial as it houses all the configurations and customization options for your account. Now, once you're inside the settings, you will want to navigate over to the Connections tab. This tab is where you can manage how Notion interacts with other tools and applications. Once you're there, find the option to either develop or manage integrations. Click on it. This step allows you to oversee existing integrations and create new ones, setting the stage for seamless workflows. After accessing the integrations area, the next action you need to take is to click on New Integration. This button is typically visible and prominently placed, as adding new integrations is a frequent task for users. Now, when you click on this, Notion will prompt you to set up a new connection, leading to a screen where you can input details for this integration. At this point, you will need to provide your integration with a name. Choose a name that is both clear and easily recognizable to you later. For our purposes today, a name like make.com automation is very effective. This specificity helps avoid confusion, especially if you have multiple integrations. Select the workspace where this integration will be applied. Be sure that you pick the correct environment, as this is where all the automation magic will happen. Once this is done, submit the information by clicking the Submit button. This takes your integration live and makes it ready to be used with your Notion database. Remember, creating clear connections between Notion and Make can significantly boost your productivity. By integrating effectively, you can automate repetitive tasks, collaborate in more meaningful ways, and focus on higher-level strategic initiatives without losing time on manual processes. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a Notion database integration with Make. It's a process that not only enhances your operational efficiency, but also allows for a more streamlined approach to using digital tools in tandem. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial, and I hope you find this integration as beneficial as many others have. Feel free to explore more options and see how further customizing